earthquake. It's 8 o'clock on Tuesday, August the 18th, and there's been an earthquake this morning. It was quite a big one as well. Look at my chandeliers. That shows how powerful it was. They're swinging around all on their own. Earthquake in Bacolod City. Anyway, earthquake or not, we've got new rules in the city today. If you're on public transport, as well as wearing a face mask, you've now got to wear a shield as well. A face shield which covers all your face. And if you haven't got one, you can't go on the Jeepney. And today there's some things I need to buy. Petrol first. I need to go down to the market. I'm going to show you the prices of some more fruit and vegetables. I've also got a few more things to get, so come along. I'm even buying some dog food. Don't forget your face shield. Everybody on the Jeep has a face shield on today. People on trikes, no problem, they just need to wear a face mask. But if you want to go on the Jeepney, you've got to wear a face shield, as well as a mask underneath it. First stop today, buy some fruit.
How long?
I need some bananas.
Lakatan.
Lakatan are the best quality bananas. These are the Lakatan bananas.
Kailan? Lakatan, 75 a kilo.
75. Some nice Guimaras mangoes there.
85, okay. Manzanas, apat ka bilog.
I'm also getting some apples.
Pongkan?
20 pieces.
Pila?
20.
20?
Oo, ang isa.
20
Mandarin.
Oh, mahal gid. Pila ang kilo mangga?
90, 100. 43. 160 ka nun, sir.
160?
Oo.
Thank you.
Okay, now off to buy some vegetables.
Patatas, 1 kilo.
Potatoes here cost 80 pesos per kilo. I also need some onions.
Sibuyas, pila?
80 kilo, sir.
Pila repolyo?
40 lang.
Isa lang. Pulo. Pila pipino?
60 kilo.
50?
60.
60. Isa lang. $155 lang, sir.
They have a good promo on Pepsi products. Okay, fruit and vegetable shopping done. Next stop, home site. Right, now to get some water. There's no need to pay supermarket prices, which are very expensive for water. You need to come somewhere like this and bring a bottle.
Good morning. Isa lang. Pila? 25. 25.
Now he just puts the plastic seal on top of it and he heats it with a hot gun, which seals it all down. That's a big, huge bottle of water for just 25 pesos.
Thank you. Hey there, Salamat. Dog rough. This one rough?
Pila?
5.
And last but not least, some food for my dogs.
60 isa?
300.
300 tanan.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. Let's hope there's no more earthquakes today. Please give us a like and a thumbs up.
Thank you.
And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you soon.